Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Cufflinks in the building.
Outside.
Where dance go?
I don't know those dances.
Outside. What's up, fam? Hope you guys doing well. Yes, we're outside.
And without the kids.
Oh my God.
We're on the road, guys. We're on the road.
Yes, together. As you know, we're not mommy and daddy right now. We're hubby and wifey, Bubbles and the good husband. Yes.
Up on a mini vacation.
Yeah.
Long overdue.
Yes. Happy, you know, when you become parents.
Big up to all my fans talking about how handsome I am. I thank you. Always been handsome, you know, always.
As I was saying, you know, when you become parents, a lot of your life and your days are consumed by being mommy and daddy, because of course the kids are our priority. But every now and then you want to just take a little time to just enjoy each other as husband and wife, because you know we have to be the best husband and wife in order to be the best mommy and daddy, right? So I'm very excited. It's just a quick vacation, but I'm very excited. I'm ready. And so we'll be taking you along the journey for our mini vacay. So yeah, stay tuned.
She deserves it, guys. She needs a break. We deserve it too, but you should not say so. You say it.
He deserves it.
You deserve it. You deserve it. All of the journey belongs to you.
It's not even so the song go.
Big up on yourself.
Stop from the cups, where we give you fire. We're giving you a lot of fun this weekend. Fun, inspiration, we're real, and we're educational. Stay tuned, Cufflinks fam. Yeah, we're here. So it's a little overcast. We don't mind. We're just happy for the rest and relaxation. Yeah.
Kind of messed up.
We're there now, we're uncat. quick with buggy.
Hey guys, so we're on our way to our room.
15:34.
Yes.
Finally.
We're gonna do it for a morning.
Yes, man.
We have been here. So
Oh,
we've been checking in for almost 2 hours.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a long time. So guys, we'll give you a tour of the room when we get there.
Sure.
What's your name, driver?
Shannon.
Shannon.
Big
Big
up
ups
Shannon.
to Shannon.
Shannon, you have your license?
Of course.
Okay. Manual? Automatic.
Big license, man.
Alright.
Big up stuff from the cup.
Alright.
You know what that is. Yeah, that's when you do the business. And no, she does not come with the room.
Welcome to our mini vacay, guys.
So guys, we checked in. Clothes on iron. Only have a steam iron.
Which we haven't
Bass
figured
bun up
out.
my shirt.
Hold on, guys.
Dinner time.
I was trying to help him to iron the shirt because this steam iron, I've never seen anyone like it, and we had called to find out if they had a regular iron.
I didn't have no regular iron.
Yes,
Yeah. So we salt.
basically, well, my clothes no need to iron, so,
So me salt.
and I accidentally burnt the shirt.
So me double salt. But we're gonna have fun.
Yes,
This is just a hiccup.
yeah.
Yep. So watch
Yeah.
out. Enjoy.
And let me just put this in. I love having time with my husband alone, but it's so funny that since we got here, all I can really think about is the girls.
Sure. Okay, Bella. Okay, Bria. Go on. Nobody not there. No?
And then I saw Nickelodeon on the TV and I was like, babe, they have Nickelodeon. But it's very important that you take care of each other as husband and wife so that you can be the best mommy and daddy. And we continue to say this, but miss the girls.
I do too.
Yeah. But we're going to have fun. We're going to have fun.
This one is for sleep. How do we expect to enjoy the hotel when you're asleep? She can't hang. Watch movie 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and can't wake up. Get up! This morning, it's started out sunny. Now it's been raining for about an hour now. So a lot of our activities have been cancelled. But hey, staying in bed, just as nice. Relaxing, just as nice. But we're gonna look some breakfast now. The hotel it has had varied experiences, but as they say, it's not about where you go or what you do, but it's about who you're with. so she alright. She can par with. Ready for breakfast? Alright, let's go.
I'm feeling like a tourist in this rain. That's my mommy. You said them favor, guys. Listen, I've never been to a hotel when it's raining, but I don't mind. Actually love the rain. Yep, love the rain. So no complaints around here. I like when it's raining, whether I'm at home or I'm out.
Bruh.
I have no complaints at all. I love the rain. And yeah, we're still gonna go to the pool because we're getting wet anyway, right? Quite so. You know, like when some people are at the beach or they are in a pool and it starts raining, apart from if there's lightning, but if it starts raining, them run out because them don't want to get wet.
Bruh.
What a drama. Wee.
Night of the round table, Excalibur. Ready? Double carry. Guys, it's stuck. Guys, it's stuck. I'm stuck. Watch out, watch out. I'm stuck.
You're stuck like a cock.
Guys, stuck. I'm stuck. Slide no work.
Are you sure?
Slide no work, guys. No work. No one touch.
Alright, let's try another one. This is take a nice shot. And Brian is there. Are you stuck? Are you stuck, babe? Let's see the drama, guys. I'm stuck. Come, babe. You're the drama. You're the drama.
Bruh.
You were stuck?
Yeah, guys, I was stuck. Fam, it's the kiddies pool. Watch the big kid.
Alright. So here we go. Woo! Oh, Father. Woo! Oh my goodness. I can't see. What? No. There we go. So guys, we are finally home after the weekend. And you know, one thing about us, we know how to have fun despite the circumstances. So just to give you a quick recap of what we think of the hotel Ocean Coral Spring. For us, it would not be our first choice to tell people to go, not at all, for several reasons. One, the customer service It took us almost 2 hours to just check in. One of the persons who actually came with us, because it was a family trip, one of the persons who came with us, when they got to their room, somebody else was in the room. So that mix up, I've never seen that happen before. On the night when we were trying to bowl, they were just hurriedly closing the place, telling us we have to go. And then they went, and the same persons who were doing the bowling, they were the ones who were doing the entertainment outside. So I figured more or less that was the reason why them da fling way out. Alright, another down point. A lot of the things in the room wasn't working. One of the sinks wasn't working properly. Some of the sockets weren't working. The rooms were beautiful. The property itself is beautiful. I must give them that. And the steam iron thing, yeah, not everybody knows how to use a steam iron, so the option should be there for a regular iron, especially for the older folks who can't bother to figure things out. They go to a hotel for relaxation, not to try and figure things out. So that's another thing that they need to improve on. Overall, I just think customer service is paramount when it comes on to any hotel, and Ocean Coral Spring was severely lacking in that department, on top of the other problems that they had. But we did our best. We were already there. We did our best to enjoy ourselves. We enjoyed the water park, as you saw. When we go for enjoy ourselves, we go for enjoy ourselves despite it all. So the water park, we had fun. I think it's a good space for children and adults, obviously. So we enjoyed that. And the food was good. The Indian restaurant that we went to one night, that was good. The buffet that we went to for dinner as well, because we went to 2 restaurants. The buffet that we went to one night, they did not have enough servers on the night. And so sometimes we were there standing, waiting to be served. Because of COVID, they're not allowing people to self-serve. They have persons serving you. And I don't think they had enough people compared to the amount of guests that were there on the night. So a lot of times you were standing and waiting 5, 10, as long as 15 minutes to be served, based on what other persons were doing and based on who they were serving and what they were serving. So that was another sore point. The breakfast, though, the breakfast staff was much better than the dinner staff. The breakfast staff, we got quicker service, and we are happy for that. But yeah, it would not be our first choice at all. All right, this has been another episode of Stuff from the Cups, where we give you fire, we give you fun, inspiration. We're real. Yeah, we're real, and we're educational. Stay tuned. We have another video soon.
Stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing